voiced in this program are for general information only and are not intended to provide specific advice or recommendation for any individual. To determine which investments may be appropriate for you, consult with your attorney, accountant, financial advisor, or tax advisor prior to investing. Securities are offered through LPL Financial, member FINRA SIPC.
Welcome to Money Talks. I'm Dave Workman, and in the next 2 or 3 minutes, I would like to make you a better investor. Now, one of the ways to make you a better investor is to try to put down all of your assets, all of your liabilities, your income flows, and how that's going to affect you in retirement. And what we have here is what's called Right Capital. It's a software program that we use that we input your data, bring you in, and discuss when do you want to retire. And it is an empirical way to look at what happens if. What happens if Social Security is reduced by 20%? What happens if I live 5 years longer, or my spouse lives 5 years longer, if applicable, than what we're planning for? What if the market goes down 20%? It's a great program, but it takes some time and it takes some effort. We'll look at your balance sheet, we'll look at your liquidity, we'll look at your budget, your debt, any student loans you might have. And then we give you tasks. What does that mean? That means if this says, hey, we need to get a look at your Social Security statement, we'll give you 2 weeks, and then we'll send you out an email. This is what we need to do. Because as John Wooden said, failing to plan is planning to fail. It's amazing what we now have technology-wise available to you here in Logansport to help you understand your retirement better. And is it something just for planning for retirement? Absolutely not. You can be retired, and we can help you understand what are the possible pitfalls ahead of you. Now, there's no cost, there's no obligation, except for it takes you some time to put this information together and a commitment to follow through. If you'd like to take a look at your financial future and/or your current retirement in maybe a little bit more analytical way, give us a call, 722-4222, to either set up a phone appointment, we can set up a Zoom appointment, or what would be best on something this important is to come to the office and talk. I look forward to talking to you soon.